Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the absolute easiest way to recover your RV or camper cushion seats. My name is Scott, welcome to the garage. So my wife and I recently undertook a pretty fun project where we restored the interior of this 1969 Sporty Sportster camper trailer. Now, a lot of the stuff on the inside was really easy to redo, like a fresh coat of paint. Even the flooring was kind of fun. But we came to an interesting problem when we got to the RV camper cushions. Now, neither one of us are great at sewing, and we wanted something that was going to be really easy to put over the old vintage cushions that would allow us to remove it, get it in the washing machine. We do have some dogs, and so the seat covers can get a little bit dirty. Let me show you what we came up with. Okay, so here's the old RV cushions, and as you can see, they're really dated. It's got that 1960s kind of old school look to them, and it's kind of cool for that nostalgic feel, but we really did want something that's a little more modern to go with our gray and kind of red motif here. So let me show you what the new cushions look like. So here are the new seat cushions, and let me show you how easy this ended up being for us. All we did was take the old ones and we got these slip covers on Amazon. These are elastic-based slip covers, actually for sofa cushions. Now again, they don't really make them specifically for RV cushions, but these ended up being a very similar size to what the internet is calling love seat cushion covers. Now again, you can see that the measurements will allow you to cover these kind of backing ones as well as the larger base ones for the seat. And again, all we did is put that elastic slip cover over. It hugs nice and tight to the original mold of the cushion, and then we can just slide these into place. Now again, the problem that we did find is they only come in these kind of basic staple colors like green, gray, black, brown, and those kind of things. And so again, as long as you're not picky on the pattern of what you want your cushion to look like, this is a super easy way of recovering your old RV seats, and then just get a pillow that kind of pops that really does bring a little accent to your sofa cushions. So here's the packaging like it comes from Amazon. Again, I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to pick up these specific ones. And basically, again, it's super easy right out of the package. It's going to discard this, and if we unroll it, you can see that right out of the package, it's just that nice elastic that slips on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find a couple of the corners here. We're going to grab our old seat cushion, and I'm going to throw these over, wrap them around the ends there, and then these just bring up and over the other side. Again, you have to manipulate them just a touch so that you can get the wrinkles off of the front. But as you can see, once you adjust them a touch, it really is that easy to recover the seat cushion. And you can plop those down into place, and they are good to go for your next trip. Again, if the dogs get them dirty, if you get food or the kids maybe color on them, they're great. You can just remove them, throw them in the wash. They're good to go for your next trip. So there you have it. That, in our opinion, is the absolute easiest way to reupholster your RV cushions. Again, if you need links in the description box below, they'll be there for you so you can order these specific ones off of Amazon. If this video has helped, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? It really does let us know we're making good videos that are helpful. And stay tuned, because we are actually doing a restoration of a brand new trailer that we just got. We're gonna have all sorts of cool video tutorials to show you coming up really soon. Thanks so much for watching.